Identify the piece of information needed to solve a problem and unnecessary information given in a problem. Okay, now the basis of this is that story problems can be tricky, right? When you're reading a story problem, some people just call these word problems. There's a lot of words, and some of them are helpful, some of them are not. So I've got 3 steps for you. Step 1 might be the most important. Read the entire problem. Don't just start and say, oh, there's numbers, and start throwing math together with numbers. That's not effective generally. So read the entire problem. After you read the entire problem, identify the question. What are you being asked to do? Because once you say, okay, I've read the whole problem, I understand what I need, now I can pick out the information that I actually need, right? We can go through and reread and determine this is important information, this is just here for fun, right? Make sure you understand what you need. So let's look at this. You go to the store and you buy eggs for $2.49, batteries for $7.89, and a magazine for $4.49. Sales tax on non-food items is 7%. How much will you pay in sales tax? Okay, so I read the whole problem. What do I need? I need to find sales tax. But there's a key phrase here that says non-food items. Generally, food items do not have sales tax on them. So if you'll notice, eggs are food. So when I'm calculating sales tax, I don't need my eggs. If you go to the store and you buy these 3 things, you will see that it'll say taxable items. There are some stores that your receipt is actually split between taxable items and non-taxable items. It's very, very interesting. So I can say, okay, my non-food items, right, that's what I need. I need my batteries and I need my magazine. So when I add those together, I spent a total of $12.38 on non-food items. That is what my sales tax is applied to. So the identifying the question, make sure you understand. That's the importance of reading the entire thing. Otherwise, we might have missed this non-food item piece. So now we know 7% of the total is the sales tax. So 7%, change that to a decimal, 0.07. Of means multiply. And my total is $12.38. So when I multiply those together, I will pay roughly 87 cents in sales tax. Now, when you multiply, you're going to get something that looks like this. But because we're talking money, we round. That 6 tells me to round up, and that's how I got 87 cents. Let's do one more real quick. Maggie is taking 15 credit hours next semester, and tuition is $280 per credit hour. Her semester is 16 weeks of classes with a 1-week break in the middle. If she passes these classes, she will have just 4 more classes before graduation. How much will Maggie pay in tuition next semester? Okay, the question is all about paying for tuition. That means we don't care how long it is. We don't care about her break. We don't care how many more classes she has. That's all great. That's all nice. We think that's really wonderful for her. But what do we need? We need 15 credit hours at $280 per credit hour. That's what we need for tuition. So 15 credit hours times $280 per credit hour. Maggie's tuition is $4,200. Feel free to send $100 bills to help Maggie pay for college. Just kidding. Okay, and so that's kind of the idea. Read it, understand what you need, take out the stuff you don't want. Okay, there we go.